What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to get and watch local channels on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Now, over here I have my 55-inch Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, but it doesn't matter the size or model of Hisense Vidaa Smart TV you have. By the end of this video, you should be able to watch live channels or live TVs on any Hisense Vidaa Smart TV you have. Now to do this, first is first, you have to make sure you connect your antenna to the antenna port on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So basically, you want to go ahead and get an indoor or an outdoor antenna. Over here, I have an indoor antenna, and then you just want to go ahead and connect your antenna to the antenna port on the back of your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Now once that is done, from the home page of your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, you just want to scroll down to where you have this list of apps over here, and then navigate horizontally to the left hand side. Now what you just want to do is to scroll over to where you have settings, select settings to open up the settings of the TV, and at this point what you just want to do is to continuously scroll down until you get to the channels option over here. Now select channels and then click on auto scan. Now at this point you want to go ahead and select the kind of scan you want for your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. If you're using a cable connection, then make sure you select cable. In this case, I'll go with the areas option over here. And now you want to go ahead and start the scanning process. You can as well just go ahead and make some changes over here if you want. So for instance, I like to do both analog and digital channels. So I'll go ahead and select both the analog and the digital TV, that is the ATV and the DTV. Now you can also make changes to the channels as well. So you can select free channels if you want only the free channels. In this case, I'll select all, and then you just want to scroll downwards and click on the start scanning over here, and then you just want to give the TV some few seconds to scan and find all of the possible channels it can find for your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Now you can see from over here that my Hisense Vidaa Smart TV has just been able to get just one channel. This is obviously because my antenna is not so well placed, and I did not just move it around to see if it can get as much possible channels as it can. But trust me, as long as your antenna is well placed, you're definitely going to be getting more channels after a scan on your TV. Now once the scan is completed, you can just go ahead and click on the done button over here, and you can literally see the live channel that my Hisense Vidaa Smart TV was able to find after the scan. Now finally, some of the things you have to note is that if you actually want your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV to be able to get more live TVs or channels for you to watch on the TV, then you have to make sure that it is well placed so that it can actually get clearer picture and more channels for you. Also, if your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV was unable to find any local channel after a scan, what you can possibly do is to just go ahead and select the auto scan option again. Now select the areas option over here, but if you're using the cable, select the cable option over here. And once you get to this page, you want to make sure that under the scan mode, you can just go ahead and select either the digital channel or the antenna channel. Sometimes if you select both the digital and the antenna channel, the TV may not find some digital and some antenna channel. So go ahead and specify the kind of channel you want, and this might just work out for you. In my case, I selected the antenna channel over here and then continued the scanning process, and it was able to find some channels for me. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.